Alright, looking to Dayton. Up north here, we got some tornadoes popping again. They've had activity on the ground. And I'm looking at some storm clouds here. I'm up on the 5th level of the hospital here. My mother's in the hospital doing a little rejuvenation program. And yeah, they said it was lots of tornado sirens and stuff going on about 10 miles north of here. I'm facing due north. There's the skyline. If nobody's seen Dayton before, you're lucky. I'm sure there's a lot more to see, but I'm just trying to be pretty much focused in on the northern end and see if I could get any rotation. We are clearing up, but there's isolated pockets, and I'm getting a weird vibe, I guess is the best way to put it. All right, man. I will continue this later.